Hey, how's everybody doing today? Pizza Wolf Magic here, and I'm bringing you my first tricks, episode 2. These are the first tricks I ever learned. Let me put this remote down real quick. And today I'm going to teach you the French drop. Back whenever I was a child, I seen a magician, and he'd make a coin disappear. Then he'd pull it out of my ear, and I've always wondered how to do that. So, back whenever I was a kid, I finally saw it in a book, and I studied it. Well, over the years, I've actually learned different ways of doing it that I like a little bit better, so I'm going to teach it to you. Okay, you start out with, most of the time you start out with a 50-cent piece, but I hope you can see this on camera pretty good. It's a quarter. Okay, then you take the quarter and you grab a hold of it and you vanish it. Then you pull it out of the ear. Pull it out of the child's ear. And I was amazed at that trick. I love that trick. What I love so much about this trick is it got both sleight of hand and it's got misdirection in it. So, right now I'm going to teach you how to do this trick. Okay, so it's real easy to do. I'm going to get up close. Take the quarter in your hand, and all you got to practice doing is dropping it and catching it. That's it. That's why it's called the French drop. So, here's the misdirection. The misdirection is you're placing your thumb in this hole in front of this coin right here, and as you're covering with your fingers, you're dropping it into that hand. So, place your thumb in the hole, cover with the fingers, drop it in that hand, and instantly move this hand away. Then make a magic gesture to make it disappear. So at speed it looks like this. You grab it and you make it vanish. It's that simple, you know. So, and what I like about this trick is you stand in front of a mirror and you practice it and practice it and practice it, and you actually get really good at it. And that's with most magic tricks. You'll find yourself a lot of times standing in front of that mirror, practicing, 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 just to get good at something. I'm Jason Riggs from Pizza Wolf Magic, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Thank you.